Opening the Grid Connect app lands you on the home screen.
From here, it is incredibly easy to quickly find any specific smart product in the house because each product is assigned to its room. The Grid Connect app has a set of default rooms, but you can change the names of those rooms. You can add or delete to suit your home or office. From the home screen, tap the plus icon on the right of the Rooms bar. This will take you to the list of rooms for the location you have selected. Home, for example. To view rooms of a different location, say your office, just go back to the home screen. Choose the location at the top in the green box, then press the Rooms Plus icon. So, here in the location Home, I can see all the rooms I've created and the devices in each room. You can add a new room by tapping Add Room. Rooms can be deleted by tapping Edit at the top right, then minus for the room you'd like to delete. Deleting a room does not delete the devices that were linked to that room. They are still paired to the app. They're just not in a room. To change a room name, tap the room you'd like to edit. Now you are in the room settings. From here, tap the room name and make your changes. This is also where you remove devices from this room, or add already paired devices from other rooms, or add devices that haven't been assigned to a room. Once you're done, all you need to do is click Save, and you're ready to go. Life just got easier.